I'll let you know that you're my only one. I know you're feeling numb. I fuck you too.
On YouTube, it's your boy Jacob. They on their vlogs back when that video. Boom. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I'm about to start grinding again. I'm about to fool. I'm about to grind. I'm about to do a lot of reaction videos. I'm telling you, I'm trying to make a new intro, or probably use the same intro as my other intro, and my other intro, my intro. Okay, anyways, y'all, I'm about to react to Slimeball MK. This dude is hilarious. He like the next DC Young Fly, all them, Chico Bean, Carlos Miller, all them. I do not own this copyright. If y'all hear music, I do not own it. But y'all probably not gonna hear music, I don't know. But I do not own it, so just let y'all know. But before we get to the video, please share my videos. Please subscribe, please press that notification button, please like, get me to like 500 subs, cause we about to be at 400 subs. And if y'all not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot of reaction videos. Please go subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, let's get into the video.
Pad right now. I need me a pad. My pussy bloody, my pussy bleeding.
Bro, do y'all just see that dude in the background? He like that nigga was insane. I'm telling you, Slimeball, this nigga is funny. Y'all look, come on.
I didn't brush my teeth in like 3 days. I didn't brush my teeth or take a bath. In 3 days, I didn't brush my teeth or take a bath. But guys, do not use condoms. Do not use condoms. You're gonna get pregnant. So don't use them. Cut them off your life. Don't use them. Don't use condoms. You're gonna get pregnant.
Bro, you tripping, bro. They recording you. Who? They recording you, bro.
Bro, what's really funny is like how he do it and how he say fuck. That shit is funny. Listen to you.
Oh my fucking god, you fake it, fucked up, follow me.
Oh, bro, I did not know you worked here, bro. Hey,
leave me alone.
Okay.
What the fuck?
You know, you keep on coming, I got something for you. Keep on coming. Bow, 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 bow.
No.
The sun makes the moon go higher, and then the boat goes. So the planet makes the moon go slower. But if you don't creep your way in here, you're not gonna go to the top. So you have to always swim. You feel me? Yeah, man. That's one thing.
Can I drive dead. And you run.
Oh Lord, I just fall. Oh Lord. This dude, he was like that crazy, but he had to control himself. Oh, this how you go? No.
Where'd you go, man? Where'd you go? There you go. There you go. You go fast. You go real fast. Oh, damn. I got this shit in myself.
Pineapples is real. So SpongeBob is real.
Fuck! SpongeBob real? You ain't taking my foot, fellas. Oh, damn, I got a big ass fucking dick. Nobody nut out this big ass juicy fat dick. Cheese balls. Cheese balls and big balls. I need a cheese ball right now. Give that white woman. I got to put him back. Nope, I got to put him back. Nope. Oh, cheese balls. I already got cheese balls. I already got it.
If I can't find it, then no one can find it. No one can find it ever. Excuse me. I gotta go. I gotta go right now. What if I shoot it? What if I shoot the basketball to make the shot?
Yeah. Oh, hell no. These bags are fucking big. What? I ain't gonna eat yet though.
Do what you gotta do. Hey, I'm done. The person that we talking about. Why you laughing? We talking
Cause you
about
ugly as fuck. You don't look like that.
No, I know. I know a damn person because. No, for real.
Bitch, you ugly as fuck.
Well, you weren't saying that when we were talking on the internet, though.
I'm gonna tell you something. You know how hood girls do. You can tell she a hood girl. Well, yeah, hood girl cause like how she running and stuff like that. You like somebody might come get her or something like that. And like, see, when you can tell when somebody from the hood and they running like from the hood, like DJ4, okay, you can tell Nico Bellic and with that girl how they run ghetto. If you ever play GTA 4, somebody make a video of her and Nico Bellic. Compare them two videos, both of them together. They run the same. I'm telling you. Every time I see this part, I'm like, I don't know. And so when I play GTA 4 and I run with Nico Bellic, I'm like, they both run the same girl. Like, it don't make sense. They both run the same. I never seen nobody run like this before in real life though.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. I'm fake toughy, concentrated.
I'll let you know that you're my only